Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning gardener layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the gardener layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. Of course, there is a lot of green that's being used throughout the different layouts, and this is the home page, for instance. And let's take a look at the landing page as well. And I will show you what that looks like on different screen sizes as well. So this is what you can expect on desktop, and I'll just enable the visual builder at the top to show you what it looks like on smaller screen sizes. So once I click on the icon located at the bottom of my page, I will be able to switch over to tablet mode and phone mode, and I'll just do that really quick so you can take a look at the layout on tablet. And this is what it looks like on a mobile device. So this looks equally as good on smaller screen sizes as it does on desktop. And if you want to take a look at these layouts without actually having to add them to your WordPress website, you can easily do that by going to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And once you do, you will see all of the free layout packs that you are able to use. So you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your own website, or you can go to a specific layout pack, for instance, the gardener layout pack. And if you scroll down, you'll come across it. It's the most recent layout pack that came out. And if you click on it, you'll see all of the layouts that are included. Say, for instance, you want to take a look at the landing page. You simply have to click on the blue View Live Demo button, and this will redirect you to a live website where you can see all of the layouts installed on a website, and you can navigate through the different layouts. And if you decide to use one of these layouts, you can simply go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish your page, enable the Divi Builder, and switch over to Visual Builder right away. So over here you will see three options. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And if you want to locate one of the gardener layout packs layouts, you can simply click on this purple button over here, and this will bring you to all of the layout packs. So simply scroll down again until you come across the gardener layout pack, and over here you can choose which one of the layouts you want to upload to your page. And once you decide to upload the landing page, for instance, you can simply click on this green button which says use this layout, and this will take little to no time for it to upload to your page and change the content completely. And once you're here, you can start making modifications. So you can play around with the different settings that are part of Divi's Visual Builder. You can change around all of the content that's included. You can use a few of the efficiency features, such as the modified styles filter or the find and replace feature that came out recently. So let me just show you how to use that, for instance. So if you want to change the font that's being used for the title over here, you can simply open this text module over here, go to the design settings, open the heading text settings, and over here you can see the font that is being used. And if you want to change this, you can simply right click over here and click on find and replace. And what this will do is it will show you the font that is being used at this moment, and you can replace it with a font wherever you want to. So you can replace it on the entire page, on this section, this row, this column. So you can go ahead and choose this and choose another font to replace it with. So for instance, if you want to change it to Georgia, this is just a random font that I'm choosing. You can select your font and click on replace. And this will change the fonts throughout your entire website. And you can do this for each one of the design elements on your page. You can make modifications to each one of the modules, rows, or sections just to make it match with the website that you had in mind. So you can easily enable the modified styles filter as well, as you can see over here. And over here, play around with the values that have been made to this section in advance. And for instance, you can play around with these colors. So go ahead and experiment with all of these building options and the layouts to get a website up and running in no time. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.